All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video home tour. If it's your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck. It's Crusoe with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Been serving the Las Vegas Valley now for the past 17 years. Closed over 1,000 real estate transactions. So today I'm here in the city of Henderson on the east side of town, just right across the Lake Las Vegas. So this new development, Aries by Pulte Homes. So they have a few neighborhoods here. This is the Oasis Canyon. This will be all the single stories homes. Now today we're going to be focusing on the GardenGate, which is one of my favorite models. I'm going to show you why. Love the floor plan on this. Now this property, the base price starts off at $574,990. I think there's a total of what, like 98 lots. But man, take a look at this. I'm gonna walk you guys through here real quick. Look how open this is. I like the color combo too as well. We have the primary on this side. We've got more bedrooms here as well. Now you have the option to do 3 to 4 bedrooms, from 2 bathrooms to 3.5, which I would highly recommend, with the 3-car garage. Dan covered patio, an option with the wet bar here. On this side we have 2 bedrooms. Now on this one we have some pretty high ceilings. These are 9-foot ceilings, the 8-foot doors. This one is completely tricked out, guys. This one pretty much has all the bells and whistles. All right, let's take a look at this. Bedroom number 2. A lot of these rooms, they did all the 4-can lighting and also the pre-wire. You can add a chandelier or that ceiling fan. We've got the transfer grill above the door. Here we have additional cabinets here. They didn't add the second sink here, but that is also an option. This one we have the tub, the standard tub, but what they did here was add all the tile work here. All the way to the ceiling. Did a really good job. HOAs here are going to be $75 a month. Looks like our air filter is right there. Additional storage. It's probably going to be a linen closet, yeah. So that's 2 bedrooms. Here is the access to the garage. So this is the 3rd bedroom. So we have a full suite, which is a plus on this one. Love these color cabinets now. Never liked them before, but really starting to turn on me. So we have a 12 by 24 denim tile pattern here. It's rigid as well. We've got standard Pro Flow toilets. Closet here is a little bit tight on this one. Yeah, this is not much of a closet for sure. All right, let's take a look at the laundry room. All this right here does not come with it, but you have the option to do the upgrade. So is the washer and dryer, the flooring. So everything here would just be completely empty. You'll just have a shelf there. I love how they cladded this wall here and add the mirrors. Looks really good though, doesn't it? Wow, that looks great. We've got the wet bar here. So you will have the option for the countertops, the cabinets, the hand pulls here. Wonder if these are going to be the dovetails. All right, drum roll, guys. I haven't opened up the cabinets yet. Let's bet it's going to be a dovetail soft closing cabinets on this one. If it is, and you haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, now you got to subscribe. Promise me that, okay? Here we go. Oh, you can tell it's already soft closing. Bam, dovetails. Man, they spent some money on this model here. We have the option, you had to run the wire here to add the refrigerator, and then the plumbing as well to add the sink. So definitely did a lot of upgrades just in this area alone. If not, this would just be open. But I don't like this soffit here. I would have just ripped the soffit out. All right, let's turn this thing around here. This is another bedroom, but I kind of think I like it as an office, but then we have the guest bathroom right here as well for entertaining. I love this, just how open this is. Let's go look at the primary. So the primary is pretty much the same configuration as the Stella model. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to take a look at the Stella, make sure to check it out. Seems like a lot of that square footage is going to be in the main living area. I do like this section here with the makeup area. Got the water closet. Love the fact that we got a window here. This shower here just seems a little bit too small for me. So I would probably get rid of the tub, honestly, and just do one large walk-in shower here. They did a really good job as far as the design. What I like about this is it works for all sex, male or female here, doesn't matter. Did a really good job for design wise. We got the center slide here, 12 by 8. These are going to be vinyls. It's all right. I'm going to say it's more of apartment grade than anything. Orange peel texture. We got another thermostat there. We've got the control joints. I love this kitchen. It just looks very simple, clean. You've got some of the golds. You got some of the blacks. I'm starting to see this style now. They're starting to integrate and mix like all different color fixtures, which is really nice. It just blends very well. We've got the 36-inch cook countertop. These are going to be Whirlpool appliances. Can you upgrade? The answer is yes. Under-mounted sink. I like this countertop though. This video is not justifying this countertop. Not much of a pantry space, but I feel like these are the type of homes is, I'm gonna say, you're more like downsizing, getting rid of all your stuff, but you're still have some space, if that's making sense. Now, when I say downsize, it doesn't mean by just getting a small home. It's just getting rid of a lot of stuff and just keeping, things clean and simple here. Love this window on both sides. That's gorgeous. So is this one right here. Then we have the covered patio. We got the 8x8 slide vinyl. Come on, jeez. 17 years, man. Always have problems with these doors. All the doors. And see the wind here. That's the only downside with having these furniture out here. Number one, it gets dusty, right? But also number two is that it just blows all over the place. The other thing is you got to watch out for like pigeons. Typically out here, you see how like just dusty that is? You definitely need a dust cover. Another thing you need to watch out for is like these cats. Sometimes some of these neighborhoods, you'll have cats, right? Live in the neighborhood and they'll just end up like pissing on your furniture, like spraying. take a look at this side. We've got the Bryant AC unit. Definitely a good brand. All the eaves are nice and solid. Fascia boards are nice. These fascia boards, after 1 or 2 years, you're gonna have to come back and re-scrape and paint those. And believe it or not, if you're doing FHA financing, when you go to sell it, if the paint is peeling back, which is a stupid guidelines, they won't finance you on those deals. And all you gotta do is paint and scrape, which is crazy to me. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure to tell all your friends and family that's looking to purchase a home to, subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, you just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.